Hi everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Today I'm working on a piece of plywood that I had cut at our local home store, and I had distressed it. I whitewashed it and distressed it. But today I took some acrylic paint, and I think it's Cool Pool, and I'm not sure if it's whipped cream. It's a white. And I just used my roller on it and spread it on. And then I took a rag and wiped off the edges because I wanted a little bit of a frame. Now I'm taking this transfer called Daydream, and I'm mixing up some chalk paste in navy and black. It's very simple and fast. And I love the way it turned out. I was really pleased with that. Sometimes with wood, because it's so textured in the small areas, it's a little difficult. Now here I have it on my mantle. It's just a temporary place just to show everybody. There's my Daydream. Don't quit your daydream. Everything is possible. Love that. And next to it is a picture on our Grayson board and these sunflowers. Now this process was a little bit too long for a video. There's a lot of layering and drying time. Easy, just took a while. So if you'd like more information on that, go to motherdaughterstampin.com and a little more detail. And if you enjoy this video and you would like to be a designer like me or just look around and shop, go to cherriecriswell.chalkcouture.com. Love me some sunflowers. Bye.